Ever since Chris Bangle and Adrian Van Hooydonk launched the infamous E65 7 Series, BMW has been no stranger to controversial design. Back in their day, models like the Z3 Coupe or the electric i3 provoked similarly strong emotions. And now it seems that we are entering another one of these periodic events. Starting when the first photos of the new, second-generation 4 Series leaked, social media has lit up with critical commentary. The 2021 BMW 4 Series Coupe makes a bold statement and is sure to trigger discussions among brand aficionados. Its most controversial feature is the new vertical grille, while its other qualities nicely expand on the predecessor's strengths. Indeed, the Bavarians have reached deep into their brand's stylistic history and retrieved two long, vertical kidneys clearly inspired by pre-war models. The prominent kidney reappeared after World War II, and on the 4 Series, they are placed closer to their position on the 2000 CS from 1965, the midsize coupe that later morphed into the more masculine and aggressive E9. As design is a matter of taste, we'll say this much: the vertical kidneys don't look nearly as prominent as they do on some photos, which are taken from the fraud perspective. They provide welcome differentiation from the 3 Series, and they accentuate an altogether exceedingly clean and elegant design. Other notable features include aggressively styled LED lights, and you can even get laser lights, an option mostly for the wow effect. The M440i gets the well-established Syrian grey treatment on its kidneys and decor, or buyers can substitute shadow line black. And every 4 Series features a mesh-type pattern on the while BMW designers tell us that in the market for quite some time now and exploiting it. Jeep with only its compass has been seeing the show from the side stand. But everything may finally change with the launch of compact SUV Jeep Renegade. New Jeep Renegade was spotted testing in India. Though Jeep has been testing the car for almost 3 years now, it has not been officially launched in the Indian market. Jeep is currently focused on the Compass and provided a recent facelifted BS6 version of its highly selling car in India. But the Jeep Renegade got lost somewhere in between. Global variant. Delayed launch. Jeep Renegade India. The car will not be launched until 2022, coming straight to the point. As the Renegade measures more than 4 meters, it cannot be counted as a subcompact vehicle due to regulations and thus has not been able to enter the market to rival the Venue and Brezza. As a result, Jeep will surely redesign the car to fulfill Indian standards, and only then the car can truly compete Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Mahindra XUV 300, Hyundai Venue. If the dimensions remain unchanged, the vehicle will rival the Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos. External looks. Just like any other SUV, the Renegade looks boxy and rugged. Though the test mule has heavily camouflaged round headlamps and 7 vertical slat grille make the car stand out and hint of traditional Jeep design. Squared-off wheel arches and identical alloy wheels to its global counterpart give the car away. The square tail lamp design on the rear too seems identical to the Renegade. Engine and performance. The India spec Jeep Renegade may come with a 1.3-litre petrol engine or a 1.6-litre diesel engine. Whatever the case, the overall displacement of the car cannot be above 1500 cc as per the regulation for subcompact SUV. If the car launches in any other segment, the engines on offer can be different. Conclusion. Jeep Renegade 2020 Interior Global Variant. Jeep India is currently dependent on Compass for its majority of sales. The new Jeep Compass 2020 has been launched with a BS6 engine and subtle style tweaks. A 2.0-litre BS6 diesel engine and a 1.3-litre BS6 petrol engine is offered on the 2020 new Jeep Compass. Jeep also sells imported models of its brand in India, but sales figures of those are not that great. If the Jeep Renegade, which was spotted testing in India, is launched in the right segment at the right price, the car will breathe new air into the manufacturer.
that.